is Vandana from Cambridge Montessori Preschool, NIT1 Faridabad. And as we all know, the summer vacations are coming in, so our child is going to be more at home and there is no activity they are doing physically now, and they spend more time on TV and phone these days. So what we all want as a parent, we want that our kids should spend more time on physical activities and on their studies. But in today's time, each and every child, each and every kid, no matter what age of the child is, but they want to spend more time on TV and phone. As per the doctors has told that there has to be only 1 hour screen time, no matter that is phone or that is TV. So how to reduce that, and how can we make it more interesting for the kids so they don't get even bored in the summer vacations and they enjoy it and they learn new skills through some new activities. So how about the summer camp? We are at Cambridge Montessori organizing a summer camp from 15 May to 15 June 2019. So here we are giving a chance to each and every kid to enjoy their holidays and learn new skills as well. So from this summer camp idea, we would like to share a few things why the summer camp is necessary for the kids. This will increase their friends, they will learn social skills, this will nurture social skills in the kids. So they will come to the school, they will meet new people and they will enhance their social skills. They will build new relationships, new friendship, and they will be knowing how to tackle their conflicts also. And the other point is that they will learn new skills in terms of writing and in terms of art also. We are organizing this summer camp and we have that art and craft classes also, dance classes also, so that they can become more physically active. We do have yoga and Zumba so that they should know the importance of health and how to maintain it. So if we will just inculcate new things in terms of health, happiness and how to be social enough. So this is the only way where we can use their vacations as their growth part as well as their growth part in social skills and in their personal skills also. So, and the other thing what we are doing here is we will just teach them how to make best out of waste in art and craft classes. When we talk about best out of waste, waste is like plastic bottles. I'll give you an example, like plastic bottles. We will just teach them that how to make a pen holder with a plastic bottle. So they will be knowing that this is a waste and we can make something new and creative with that waste. So it was just an example, and if our kid will be knowing each and everything, so that will elevate the confidence level in them. So if they have new skills, if they are confident enough, they will, if they are improving their writing skills, and in personality development classes, we are going to tell them how to be a good person and pleasant enough. So this whole package will make them physically active and mentally proactive. So this is the whole idea why we are doing these summer camps. So I'll just request to all of you, please send your kids to the summer camps where they can be in touch of the studies and of the physical things. So through this idea, they will be more active and they will be more active physically and mentally both. Thank you for watching, and please send your kids for the summer camp.